Hi guys, in this video we're going to be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to set up corporate action automation for workflows. This is one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency and connect to your corporate account and more importantly execute actions directly from your workflow. So let's get started. At your agency view, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app. Just type Copper, click on it. We go at install. We select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. Sub account one, we continue. We go at allow and install. We choose the plan. We confirm the plan. We complete the installation and you automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link URL. So we click here, we make sure it's copied. We switch back to our agency in order to create the custom menu link. Back inside the agency, we go at the settings, custom menu links. We create a new. We have to fill this form, and we start by selecting an icon for our custom menu link. We have a different icons here. When we're done, we come down here, type a name for our custom menu link. How do we want to name our custom menu link? When we're done, here we paste the custom menu link URL. Then we scroll down, we select an account or sub account where we want where we want all our tools to be available. And here we can select whether we want to give access to all the information to a particular user or to all the users. When we're done, we make sure we save. The next step is to switch the sub account in order to connect the tool to our corporate platform. So let's do it right away. Inside the sub account one, we search for the custom menu link. We decided to name our custom menu link Greg app. If you guys name your custom menu link, let's say my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So let's go on Greg apps and we search for the app Copper. It doesn't pop up here. It means it's already connected within the sub account. So let's go at the connected apps. We have Copper here. How do we set it up? We just have to go at setup, and there are some credentials required in order to get the installation going. But before we go any further, though, if you notice, you can read how to get your API key. Actually, if you click on it, it will lead you to a smart queue showing you how to get it. But let's switch to our Copper account in order to get all those credentials. Inside Copper, we go at the settings. This one we already created here. You just have to continue at API keys and generate API key, and you have your API key here. Let's copy this one, paste, and here we just have to provide the email address we use to log in the platform. Email address, bingo. The tool is already connected to our corporate platform, and we're able to execute actions directly from our workflow for our corporate account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like the video. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below.